guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today, day 3 of my giveaways and Vlogmas day 3, we are going to be unboxing my winter Fabfitfun box. You guys want to see what I got in here, what are my thoughts on this, and am I going to keep it? Well then definitely keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so today is day 3 of my 12 days of giveaway, and what I'm giving away today is this right here. I'm giving away 4 custom made wine glasses that were by my beautiful friend Chelsea. She has a beautiful Etsy shop called Magically Unwind, and she came up with these glasses for Harry Potter. I love Harry Potter so much, especially during the Christmas season. It just reminds me of Harry Potter so much. So she is actually going to be providing 4 glasses so you guys can have each of the houses, and I'm going to be providing the Harry Potter book set. Now, I know a lot of people out there have Harry Potter, but a lot of people do have kids, and I'm hoping that they can pass it along to their children to read, and they can fall in love with the magical world of Harry Potter. So hopefully you guys like that. Go head over to my Instagram to see how you guys can enter. Now, in today's video, we're going to be unboxing my winter Fabfitfun box. I know people have been posting about these probably since the beginning of November, posting their Fabfitfun. I think those are people who are affiliated with Fabfitfun. I'm not, and I thought I was. They sent me a winter box last year, and they gave me a code, and that code never worked. Quite embarrassing. I reached out to them several times about it, and they ignored my email. So it is what it is. But I actually prepaid for this box last year, so I have no clue I'm getting in here. I think I picked out the items back in October. I got notified on November 15th that it was actually shipping my way. And it just arrived December 1st. And I was like, holy crap. Like, did you travel? Where did you go? Like, did you come all the way from the North Pole? Santa, did you just drop me off my box? Like, it just took forever to the point that I forgot about it. So we're going to see what's in here. Hopefully it's a good box. And you guys already know that there's any items in here that I don't want. They'll be going straight into my No Waste Wednesday. I believe this box does cost $49.99 monthly, or you can do what I did where I paid for it yearly. And that when you pay for it yearly, it's $250, but you do get like top tier first access to all the goodies. Like you get first picks. They're supposed to ship out your box before they ship out anybody else's. I don't know if they really do that. This is my first time being like a member. But yeah, otherwise if you want, you can just pay for it monthly. You can't just pay for it annually, which will be $49.99. But there's so many influencers out there like Alexandria Ryan, Jen Loves Reviews, quite a few other people who do have codes, like Allie Glines, I believe, that with Fabfitfun, they just got to use their code, like code Allie or code Jen or code Alexander Ryan, and you guys actually will save $10 off your first box, which is actually really cool. So it makes it $39.99 instead of $49.99. Okay, so first things first, they always give you a magazine, and they tell you all about the items that are inside and what everybody had a choice to pick from. You also get to see other stuff in here, other information about people and drink recipes. Not gonna lie, I never actually go through this because I just don't care enough, and I'm too damn lazy to actually sit here and read this magazine. I just want to know what products I'm getting and if they're good. Like, I don't, just, it's not my thing. And no shame, it's not my thing. But I actually am going to look, though, into this cinnamon swirl latte because I am all about that. That is really good. So let's go ahead and see what we're getting. I'm excited. Hopefully it's a really good month, because if it is, then I might actually want to renew for the spring season. Yeah, spring. All right, so first things first, there is Summer and Roses. This is 1D. And 1D is Summer and Roses Cozy Robe. Cut up with this fuzzy robe, which features front pockets. Retails for $70. Ooh. This is all members. So members get to pick from 1 to 3 customizations. So I must have picked this. Okay. So here is the robe. I almost freaked out because I was like, there's no tie thingy. But you just got to tie it around. It is very, very long. It goes down to like, I don't know how well you guys can see. Maybe I'll just stand on my chair. Okay, let's not die. Okay, so it goes down to like right down here for you guys. So yeah, it's very, very soft, very, very warm. It does have a little rope tie, and it has a little hoodie. Oh, it has a little hoodie, which is so freaking cute and cool. I really like that. I really like that. The only robe I have is one from Victoria's Secret. This is very soft. You guys already know how my robe looks. My Mrs. Doubtfire ruined that robe. So I still wear it, don't care. But this is really, really, really comfortable. Ooh, I feel like I'm about to go walk out on some snow. Actually, speaking of like snow, y'all, it's 45 degrees here in Florida. Dude, it's only lasting for like a couple of days and it's gonna go right back in the 80s, but it just feels like Christmas. Like, I wish it did during Christmas time, but this robe is actually super cute and I like the front pockets. Okay, Fabfitfun. What, you guys are already getting me to fall in love with this box again? Ooh. Next, we got these. What are these? These looks to be like socks. These are 4C. 4C is Muck Luxe Cabin Socks. These cabin cozy socks feature a fox shepherd lining to keep you warm. Retails for $25, and this is for select members, so we get to pick 4 or 5. Otherwise, you choose the best option for you. So I must have picked these socks. I actually do like picking like comfy clothes because I'm literally like home all the time. So look how cute these are. Oh my gosh. Yes, let's put them on. They're soft on the inside. Like my little socks? Hell yeah, I love the little bows. Dude, these are so cute. Like you guys are not seeing it. Look at my socks. Okay, these socks are so freaking cute and they're so comfy. Thank you, Fabfitfun. Or thanks, Allie. All right, next I got this Daily Concept Facial Dry Brush for radiant looking skin. This is 7A, and this is a Fabfitfun where they surprise us with 3 options we think that we will love. So this retails for $20, and it says use the dry brush on your forehead, nose, cheek, chin, and neck to simulate lymphatic pathways and reduce puffiness. Yeah, I probably would never use this, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my No Waste Wednesday. Hopefully somebody does though. That's a pretty cool concept. Oh my god! Yay! They put food in here. I'm freaking so hungry. This is dark chocolate, nuts, and sea salt. Thanks, Kind Bar. You guys knew I was hungry. You're a little chewy though. How long have you been in that box for? Okay, so next we got this Phase Zero Making Moves Blusher. This retails for $27.50, and it's a silky smooth formula blend seamlessly onto the skin for a gorgeous flush of color. This is another Fabfitfun, like they picked this for me. Why do they call it blush blusher? Why is that? Why not just call it blush? Definitely not a bad looking color. Very, very peachy. Pretty cute actually. But I have so many blushes, so I'm gonna go ahead and pass this along onto my No Waste Wednesday. Hopefully somebody can enjoy their blusher. Okay, so next we have a Dr. Brandt Pores No More Pore Perfecting Cleanser with salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white billow bark. Ooh, okay, so this is 3C, so I might have picked this, and this retails for $36. It removes makeup, residue, and dead skin while banishing sebum and decongesting pores. I'm not gonna lie, Dr. Brandt has some amazing products, particularly geared towards poor skin. I remember the first thing I ever used was like this exfoliator mask scrub that you wore for 60 seconds. I got it in a BoxyCharm box and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna Luxurious Skincare. I was so in love with it. So I'm definitely giving this a try because it is a cleanser. I've never tried their cleanser before. I've tried their illuminating primers, I've tried their exfoliators, their mask, but I've never tried their cleanser. So I'm curious to see how this works. Okay, cool. Awesome. Okay, so next we got this 6B. This is a Paradox Lucky Stars Blemish Patches. Pesky blemishes stand no chance against these patches. Retails for $18. Oh my god, I would never pay $18 for this single pack. There's like some weird, ew, there's like some weird white stuff all over it. Ugh. What is that white stuff all, oh my god. Okay, I found the culprit. All right, so I think you're supposed to put this on like pimples and stuff. So interesting. Interesting. Okay. Next, we got this product right here. This is 5C, and this is a select members only. This is a Dr. Hue Apple Cider Vinegar. This is a dry shampoo powder which absorbs oil and impurities while adding a touch of lift and texture with the power of apple cider vinegar. Retails for $24. Is this the full size? Because that does not sound like it's full size. But it's a powder shampoo. And it's so powdery. Like, it's all over the product. Oh my god, but it actually smells really good. Where have I smelled this smell before? That smells freaking amazing. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, like, how does this work? Like, I use the spray. I use dry shampoo sprays all the time. But, like, how does a powder work? That is so interesting. I'm definitely gonna have to give this a try. God, that smell is just, oh, it's so good. Okay, so last but not least, we have a Impressions Vanity Highlight LED makeup mirror. Now this retails for $45. This was something that everybody can choose from. And this is a LED mirror that features a bright white LED strip at the touch of a sensor button to help perfect your makeup. I've always wanted to try Impressions Vanity mirrors. I know I've seen them at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I've seen them at Ulta. I hear really, really great things about these. So that is actually really cool that they gave this as an option. It's probably going to be like a really small size mirror, but that is okay. I do have my high mirror that I have below me, and I do use that quite often. But it's always nice to like try other mirrors as well. I just want to see the size of this. Oh my god, wow. Okay, that is a really decent size mirror. Wow. Say hello. That is a really decent size. Oh my god, how long have I been talking powder on my nose for? What the hell? Oh god, that is... Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Okay, so that's actually really cool. They have this as an option. Really, really nice. I wonder, do I have to charge it? Oh, it comes with batteries. Oh, okay, cool. All right, so this is how it looks. Nice and lit up right there. Really not bad. I do wish it had like a little bit of a magnifying. I do wish it had a little bit of like a magnifying effect to it, but it's still really, really decently sized. It has a really nice LED. I like the fact that it's battery changeable because sometimes you don't always have like an outlet next to you to plug something in to get a charge. So that's actually really, really nice. And again, it's a really nice, decent size. Really cool. That's awesome. Okay, sweet. Wait, it does. Oh, you could do either or. Oh, sweet. Okay, cool. All right, so let me go ahead and add up the value of my box. All right, so total value of my box is $265.50. Now, what I think is really cool when it came to this month's box is that they pick out products that they think that you would like. And I like how they kind of steered away necessarily from skincare. They did give me like one skincare item, but they pretty much did like makeup stuff, which I really do appreciate. And what I like about their winter boxes is that they provide more than just makeup. A lot of time with Fabfitfun, they have a lot of skincare options. Like there's so many skincare options on this magazine that you could have chosen from. But I think it's really nice when they kind of branch out and they do other things like the robes, the blankets, like slippers. You know, it's towels. They have glassware on here. They have mugs on here. Like it's really cool when they do branch out. I'm a makeup channel, so I do love getting makeup. But sometimes it's kind of nice to like get something just a little bit differently than makeup. Like I am loving the socks I'm wearing now. They're so freaking comfortable. That robe, that robe is gonna be everything. And this new vanity mirror, like that is so cool. I love how they do that. So I really do love my box. I really do. So I for sure will be renewing for the next year because I just want to see what they have. I like having the different options, and I like that it's every 3 months too. And I kind of like that they do try to go with the theme of the season. Like they really do. Like you could tell this was like a winter gear box with like the robes, the blankets, the socks. There's a scarf on here. Like they try, and they have like coffee mugs. That's actually really cool. So I do really like my winter box. So hopefully you guys like this unboxing. I did film 2 videos in one. I have a lot of content to film, and yeah, so hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give it a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to head over to my Instagram so you guys can enter day 3 of my Christmas giveaway. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. If you guys have not already, because I do post every day, especially this time of year because I am doing Vlogmas, so I will be posting every single day. Please make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R for Life that you guys get to see my cool, wonderful, amazing adventures here with my wonderful fiance, Corey. And as always, guys, I just want to thank you guys for all your love and support. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!